and gentlemen, make some noise for Ghostface Killah!
What's up, fools? Welcome to the Rim Vlog. On today's Rim Vlog, we're going to Santa Ana. We're going to the observatory to go shoot a music video. My friend Brandon, aka B.Holt, has a performance tonight at the observatory, and the plan is to make him a music video. He's actually opening up for the game tonight.
Go ahead and envy me. I'm Raps MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me.
So I'm gonna go get a little workout on, and then we're gonna shoot a music video for B.Holt.
What's up, fool?
B.Holt, you flying solo today. How you feeling?
I'm ready, bro. I'm kind of sick right now. A little sick. I got some boogies, but chugged a bang right now. Shout out Devil's Lettuce. Shout out my homie Tim. You know when you're holding a pee and you're just a different person? You just don't feel right?
That's what the horses do, right?
Yeah, dude.
And they race.
Soon I'll be leaving to Mars. Roll up trees in the car. Tearing up lust little region apart when I breathe in the charts like I'm cheap in cigars. Fiending for something to eat and I'm starved. Think I'ma go get a drink at the bar. I was like 18 feet from the bar when I saw the Cadillac with the keys in the car, so I drove off in it. It's a motherfucking dream car, bitch, I almost dozed off in it. Before you get dropped off, take your top off and all your other clothes off in it. So boss with it, I'll be leveling up. In the glove box with a Benjamin stuffed. Next to a 38 special to bust you with the pedal adjusting and the adrenaline rush. I'm letting medicine up, but something's up, cuz I just saw this little funky young blood looking kinda like a drunken young thug and a fucking slug bug, and he bumping thug love. I jump on the freeway. All the cheats. I'm good. We ready? Yeah, we ready.
I think we're about to get a show. We're about to get a show here.
Rim hammers in the house. I'm ready to rock it like Houston and filling me like dental cavities. Inappropriate, but the flow be dope, it has to be. Sniffing opiates till my nasal cavity has to bleed. My pen and my pencil, detrimental capacity. You fucking whacked me. My best advice is step aside and recognize the threat, and I just specialize in flexercising, mesmerizing on times when the pressure's rising. And from 2 to 10, I tend to write and end the night with tendinitis. I'm dope as the product that get a felon caught. Sell it till you drop it, dwell up in a cell that's hella locked. Mother's water broke, she slipped and fell and dropped. The belly flop, I headbutted her stomach, twisted my neck a notch, and then it popped. Fucked in my head a lot, my dreaded thoughts will never stop. Seconds come first, minutes come second. When the seconds stop, you won't have a minute to reflect on seconds you never got. Bass, I let it rock and knock the red up, better get dreaded locked.
I think it's safe to say somebody's ready for a show. He goes on in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
I'm the one in charge right now. I met this lady from Spain and we drinking rum from Romania. Took some pills for the pain and drugs she got from Lithuania. And a friend from Albania, she got snow from Cambodia. And some opium, she got all the way from Ethiopia. Make the world mine. I need plenty to follow. When the size of your pocket change, they'll be petty tomorrow. If a dime gold digging, leave a penny tomorrow. I play all 4 quarters, fuck your envy and sorrows. I'm just a young buck. Keep your jealousy bottle, swallow your motherfucking pride like a Hennessy bottle. I don't wanna be reckless in Texas, drink Hennessy in Tennessee. Pop a bottle in Colorado, tell every drop is follow consensus to the center. Better treat with a better way to be. Burn cannabis in Los Angeles, so you plan to just never leave the state of mind in my state. Stay climbing like the crime rate. Take time to gain to my strength. Sun shining blind in my face. Run from a 9 to 5 and I ain't gun to my face to find where I came from. GCA to spell constellation. A big group of stars, let me name some. Warren G, too short the game. Dr. Dre, Nipsey, WC, Razzcast, Daz, Eagle, Double G, NWA, Easy, J Rock, Kendrick, Metallica, The Doors, Guns N' Roses, Cypress Hill, DJ Quick, No Doubt, B, Linkin Park, Each Cole, Hepso, Insane, no, we can't go replace those. San Diego, Sacramento, San Francisco, you can just go to California. chocolate to LA. Ain't no place I'd rather stay. Every lady says all the news. Last month only got a missed call or two. Cash up, everybody just follow you. If all of you gon' act up, back up, you back in your bag in the back of your black Maserati. You isn't lying, your engine is forward. You pouring forward, relaxing your body, you finally made. Stay up from the real estate, right with the real estate. I am a real estate, can I tell real from fake? We grind and we skate in circles, no figure right now. You don't trigger spray if you try to open ricochet. Come back, hit your face, knock you out cold like Pele, hit your face on a winter day. My check is blasting, why you lying? My checks is stacking, why you lying? My money flows, why you lying? I got 20 hoes, why you lying? Why you trying to deny the truth? Supply the proof instead of neglecting the honesty. We ain't respecting you honestly. How in the fuck can you expect an apology? Bitch, I'm a heavyweight. You a middleweight. Ain't told a little weight. Ain't told a picture. Yeah, y'all see the finish line. I'm like, add me on Instagram at it's gotta be B.Holt. At it's gotta be B.Holt. Water too deep. I'm out, y'all. As you can see, when you swimming with the sharks and it's.
Alright, so that was the performance. That's B.Holt. I'm gonna make a video of this and I'll put links all over my Instagram, all over my YouTube, and you guys should go check him out. This dude's dope. He rocks. Give him some love. Alright, B.Holt, tell us, what did you think? What did you think about your performance?
Everyone was fucking jumping in there, bro. I was tired as fuck, bro. I gave a lot of energy in the beginning. I gotta mellow out. I gotta chill and then put the energy towards the end. But we did good. I already know we did good.
Brandon is done performing and now the game's gonna come on in probably like 15-20 minutes. I still sort of have some sort of credentials to get close, so I might go up close and record the game. But B.Holt rocked it. You guys should check out his videos. You guys should follow him on Instagram. The dude has talent. So I waited and I waited and I waited and I waited, but the game didn't show up to play. All right, I'm heading home. Since the game didn't play and I didn't get any footage for you, I'm gonna leave this vlog with a little bit of the last time I was here at the observatory and I got to see Ghostface Killah. So I'm gonna leave you with some Ghostface Killah. And until then, this has been the Rim Vlog. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like my my videos. Maybe like the channel a little bit, but whatever you do, subscribe to my channel and catch you on the flip side.
He goes by Iron Man. He goes by Tony Starks. He goes by the Wannabe King. He goes by Tone Tang. I see that shit today. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ghostface Killah.
And this is the Ghostface Killah!
Yo, honey dip, summertime, fine jewelry dripping. See you on pickings with a bunch of chickens on your cooking. I kept shooting strong notes, we got close. See black rolls, honey those smelling like interpose. Yo, shell, baby, wicked like Nimrod. Put me like a freshwater scroll, that may I not be gone. The attitude is very rude, don't grab me like seafood. And turn me on like mine, they call me Starky the Hunt. Check the strategy, and he made Shirley Temple curls on my Billy G. Black bitches America, and was none of the right truth. Lazy apples, 4-6 shoes. Come up and push the breath, smell like cinnamon. And still be on the door in the hall, turn around again. Goddamn, backyard's banging like a busy. I was thinking, you'll be spotted like Slum McKenzie. I'm high powered with a key to Howard to sleep your bud. That bitch been on my mind all week, but back to you labeling queen. Respect the team. You can have anything in the swag. What's up, queen, bitch? So what you wanna do? What you wanna do? Let's go ahead and walk these doors. Walk these rap niggas, get all up in your nuts.